In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how to fix Google Chrome won't clear browsing history and data on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we can do is to perform a disk cleanup. So go to the Windows search bar and simply type disk cleanup. Click on it under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Then in the disk cleanup for Windows C drive, simply select all of these options one by one. Okay. Select all of these options one by one. Then you have to click on OK and click on delete files. And you just have to wait for the process to be done. Then the second method we can do is to use the CCleaner tool. To open the CCleaner, you simply click on that. But if you don't install or you haven't installed this into your Windows, I'm going to share it to you. So here, you simply click on Custom Clean. And then you'll find here the Edge Chromium. Simply check these options. And then you just have to simply locate Chrome from here. So once you find Chrome from here, just simply enable this option, Internet Cache, or like simply select the options, Internet Cache, Cookies, Internet History, Download History, and Last Download Location. Okay? So simply locate Chrome from here, and then you can also do that for the Edge Chromium or the Microsoft Edge. And then simply click on Run Cleaner and then wait for that for the process to be done. So how you can install the CCleaner into your Windows, click on the Start button and then search Edge, click Microsoft Edge, type C Cleaner, download, hit enter. Click on this one from www.ccleaner.com. And then you have to simply click on free download. Okay, simply click on free download. That will download the installer file, and after that you just have to simply install that into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.